Welcome back to the Ticket Setup series. In this session, we're going to quickly focus in on the getting started experiences that exist within Tikit. So there's two getting started experiences that allow for in-product help as you're working through the agent experience and the administration experience. And you'll see those in the top right-hand corner. So if you're logged in as an agent and you're in the Tikit agent portal side of Tikit, so working tickets and my work, my group work, the top right-hand corner, you'll see an agent getting started option. And that menu there will give you the ability to see different ways to work, manage, and edit tickets as an agent. Now, complementary to that, if you log in as an admin and you were to switch over to the settings area over here, you'll see that getting started experience flips and it goes into the admin getting started. And this is not all of the items that you set up as an admin, but what we find to be the common things that most new customers set up to be successful with the product. And you have the opportunity to go through those step by step as and when you are ready. So for now, I'm going to go ahead and pause this session. I want to thank you for your time and looking forward to seeing you on the next one.